Hello Dream My friends! Welcome to this week's unboxing of our Caterpillar's Dreambox. Let's see what's inside. First we have our Dream My Care package. And we have our 10 Wiggly Wiggly Caterpillars book by Debbie Tarbett. And this week our felt activity mat is sky blue. I'm going to show you what felt cutouts we have this week. Since this week is all about caterpillars, our felt cutouts are going to be about the butterfly's life cycle. So we have some leaves and a branch and our chrysalis. And these circle dots can be used for counting and sorting and also to make your caterpillar. So you can add your googly eyes and your pipe cleaner antenna. And we have our butterflies, a cloud, and our butterfly eggs, which I'm going to put on this leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 butterfly eggs. So the butterfly's life cycle starts with the eggs. They hatch and turn into a caterpillar. Then they turn into a chrysalis. Then they transform into a beautiful butterfly. And we have 3 different butterflies which you can separate or layer together. Let's see what else is in the box. We have our plastic needle and thread and some pom-poms. And you're going to use this needle and thread to make caterpillar puppets. And this wooden tweezer is going to be used for our caterpillar counting activity. And we have some glitter crayons for our caterpillar observation journal. Next we have a white t-shirt and a tie-dye kit, so you can make your very own tie-dye t-shirt at home. And we have some clothespins and a popsicle stick for our very hungry caterpillars sequencing activity. Next we have some corks, some paint, and colorful confetti. Look at all these beautiful confettis. And that's going to be used for our letter C art activity. Next we have some Mod Podge in this container. And we have a foam paintbrush, balloon, and tissue paper for our chrysalis making. And we have some Play-Doh for our letter mat. And a roll of green streamer for our dramatic play where we're going to turn into a chrysalis. And these are foam shape stickers and a butterfly template. And that's going to be for your symmetrical butterfly math activity. And we have a balloon and a Sharpie for our butterfly STEAM experiment. And these are really cool stickers. These butterfly stickers are 3D and have multiple layers so they can flap around. And they're just beautiful. They sparkle in the light and you can just play with them, stick them on your art activities or your journal drawing or on your face. Just have fun with them. And these are butterfly and caterpillar toys and butterfly tattoos. And this is a beautiful butterfly paper plate you can use during art, or you could put food on it. And these are leaf-shaped sticky notes. Maybe you could write a message and stick them on the refrigerator. And this is a butterfly sticker scenery set. You can pull off the stickers and create your very own scene. And finally, we have this week's sensory bin materials. We have different colored pasta noodles and a plastic scooper. And I'm going to show you how to set it up and how to play with this. So first, I'm going to pour out all my pasta and I'm going to mix it up. And I'm going to add any toys I have or any other decorations I want to put in. And I'm going to take my scooper and just scoop and feel the different textures, the different shapes. And I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to show you that the green pasta, shaped like a shell, are supposed to be the butterfly eggs. The purple squiggly little pasta represents the chrysalis. And the blue or the orange pasta can be the caterpillar. And finally, the bow tie pasta represents the butterfly. So you can learn about the butterfly life cycle through this sensory box. Now I'm going to show you how else I can play with this box. I'm going to sort some pasta noodles by color. And once I've sorted, I'm going to try to make a pattern. I'll start with the ABC pattern. So green, purple, orange, green, purple, orange. And then I'll do an AB pattern. Green, purple, green, purple, green, purple. So that's it for this week's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!